Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson on Korean vowels. Today we're going to learn the basic of Hangul Myeom or Korean vowels. I'm gonna teach you the two vowels of Korean. In the first one, I will teach you a single vowels. This is an A, Ya, O, U, O, U, 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 E. These are the single vowels. And the next one are the double vowels. This is an A, Ya, E, Ye, Wa, We, Wo, We, We, Uy. These are the double vowels. Again, are the single vowels and the double vowels. I hope that you will learn something about my discussion. See you next time. Thank you for listening.